Morning guys, how y'all doing? Don't be scared of my face right now. I'm face masking and so is my husband. He literally would not do it. I had to put him in a headlock and then put it on his nose. So I'm going to peel this off. Today we're going to try and do it like a quarantine style vlog. Basically we're staying at home and I tried to make a timetable last night of all the things that we're going to do. And my room is an utter mess, so that's on the agenda too. But I'm going to peel this mask off now because mine's gone dry. And yeah, we'll see what we can do next. I'm going to use my new, what is this called? Tripod, mini tripod, spider tripod, whatever it is. If you want to buy this, I bought it from AliExpress. I'll link it in the description box below. Okay, let's peel this bad boy off. I don't have to go to work today, so I'm about to sneeze. Only because that's hurting, and we've had to go in even though there's been the quarantine, but today they've shut the school down and said we don't need to go in, so that's great. I do have to go. I'm kind of like on a rota, and I don't have to go until next week Monday. But I'm trying to make sure I stay in the routine. I'm waking up on time. I've got a bit of work to actually do today. We were sent some emails yesterday, and I just could not do it yesterday, so I'm going to try and do it today. I went to Morrison's yesterday to try and get some basics, and they had none of the basics that you normally need. So we couldn't get, and I'm actually getting sick of having to go to ooh, that's satisfying, that is. I'm getting sick of having to go to town just to find these basics, or go to the supermarket and find these basics and they're not even there. So I've had enough, and I'm not going out the house now because I'm not putting myself in that situation where I literally have a panic attack every time I think someone's going to walk past me. My nose was very pory the past couple of days, and I'm starting to get dry skin again. So I thought, because I do exfoliate, but I use exfoliating pads. I haven't done a physical exfoliation in a while. Oh my god, that kills. I haven't done one in a while, so I thought I'm going to do a peel off mask, and hopefully that will help decongest my nose. Oh my god, that killed. I'm sad that I couldn't take it all off in one fell swoop. The mask that I'm using is this one. It's the this is a version of the Pilartane Miracle Black Mask. And you can buy these off eBay. You can find them on there. That's where I get mine from. And I think you can get it from AliExpress as well. Let me know down below if you have to go into work. I still have to go out one more time because I've got to go to the garage and get some lights put on my boot or something like that, because I got my MOT done and they said that they needed to do that. I thought they'd done it, but then they said they needed to buy the bulb. So and they charged me £10 for it. I should have just bought the bulb myself. And so I'll keep going back to check if they're open, and we keep going at the wrong time, so they haven't been open. So I'm gonna have to go today. It's crazy how the weather's so lovely when really you can't even go outside. There's my bottles of Dettol, because I am trying to make sure I am cleaning the house and things like that often. God, I look like Voldemort with my nose like this. This tripod's amazing. I might add a Bentangle. I'm just going to do the rest of my skincare routine. So my rose water mixer. I think that went to my mouth. I've got this pure cucumber eye roll-on, which I don't even know if it does anything, but it's nice and cooling because it has a metal ball on it. That was £1. You can get them from Home Bargains. £1 I used to do them. I don't think they do them anymore. And my face cream. In the morning I don't really do much of a skincare routine, to be honest. But today I'm going to use my Simple Moisturiser. The past couple of days I've been trying to... I've been trying to finish up my Primark moisturizer, and I hate it. I absolutely hate it. I think that is what is clogging my pores, and I just want to go back to my simple one, but I'm just like, I need to finish the Primark one so I can get rid of it. But that's basically my review. It's kind of a thick cream, but I think it makes your skin really oily really quickly, and it's clogging my pores. So like, I'm getting whiteheads when I take off my makeup at night. And I'm pretty sure that's not my makeup, because a lot of the time it never is my makeup that does that. So yeah. Or an SPF, because the sun is beaming today. I reckon I can do this with my glasses on, because I am practically blind. The other day I was watching the Try Guys, and it made me laugh so much, because they were doing Korean 15,000 skincare step routine, and it was hilarious because I can't remember their names because I've only just started watching them. The ones with the glasses, they were practically blinded, they couldn't see anything. So that made me laugh, because I'm just like, yes, I can relate to that. Okay, I'm done. Next thing I'm going to do is clean my room, I think. Just clean it a little bit and have breakfast, because we haven't had anything to eat yet. Catch you in a bit. Okay, so today I've decided I'm going to wear an Asian suit. Well, most of the time I do wear one, but I haven't worn one for about 2 weeks now, less than 2 weeks. So this is the dress I'm wearing. It's a dress my mom got me from Pakistan. This is what it looks like. It's like a carrot orange material, carrot orange colour, and it's basically like a jolly, like a thin material, so you get an underpiece with it, and these are the trousers, green trousers. So I'm wearing that today because I haven't worn this outfit in a really long time, so I'm wearing that. I've put some food on. I'm not going to show you my face right now because I haven't got my scarf on, but I've put some, let's show you outside while we're at it. I've put some stuff in the oven for lunchtime, and so we're going to eat that. I'm going to clean my room now, then get changed and read my namaz and eat that food. I better go check on it though. I hope it's not burnt. Okie dokes. Actually, let me just take you downstairs. Let's go show you guys the food, and maybe outside a bit more, because obviously the door's here, so I can show you outside. The food better not be burnt. Please tell me it's not burnt. It smells like it's burnt. Oh, perfect timing. Well, they're definitely done. I feel like I should take that out, but we've got some chips, some pasties, nuggets, and at the bottom are the waffles and the hash brownies that you saw. I'm going to boil some vegetables, and that's what we're having for lunch. I'll show you outside. If the door is open. Nope. It's an absolutely beautiful sunny day. So I'm thinking we could put some chairs and a table outside and eat outside. So there's the sun shining. It's all in all its gloriousness. Perfect blue skies. There's even a web right there. I don't know if you can see that glistening in the... Let me just shake it off. Gone right to the clothes. And someone's already put clothes outside. Wonderful. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Guys, make sure you put your SPF on if you're going outside. I just washed the dishes. I just need to empty the sink out and then clean the rest of this kitchen. I don't know why I spontaneously wanted to do this. I didn't need to do it. Okay, my husband's got to go to work, so we've got to quickly eat. But this is lunch for today. We've got an egg, a waffle, which we call a manja. We've got some chicken pieces, some burnt ass hash browns. We got burnt, and some vegetables. We got some crinkle chips, which I'm going to put in there in a bit, and some bread is baking. Well, I think it is. I think they just need buttering. Well, the bread is toasting, not baking. So yeah, we're going to eat outside. We've set a table outside. It's our room table, and we're going to sit on there and eat quickly because he needs to go to work. By the way, do you love these flowers? Bought these flowers for my mom on Mother's Day. How gorgeous are they? Absolutely beautiful. I love this flower. I don't know what it is. I'll tell you, this flower, I don't know what it is, but they're absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, lunch for 2 is ready. Now we just got to eat like no tomorrow, because my husband's going to be late for work. He's just changing into his work clothes, And he'll be gone at 2 o'clock, so we've got about 20 minutes to down all this. And I've got to get some juice. We're eating outside. On that table there. Depends. Yeah, we've got 2 chairs. That should be fine. It's going to be like a nice picnic dinner. Like a romantic halal quarantine lunch dinner. Yay! This is exciting. Okay. Do not mind my nasty chadar. Well, I actually love this chadar because it's black. But this is me outfit. You're at a bent angle, you are.
I know it's been a while. I know you're thinking the same. But I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it. I stopped playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit.
I look so raggedy today, but it's nearly 8 o'clock and it's the 26th of March and everybody's supposed to be cheering outside. We have 6 minutes, so we'll see if it happens. I can't hear any noises yet. Let's find out. This will be historic if it actually works. I don't think anybody in my street's going to do it because it's all Asians and old people in my street and I don't think they're connected to the internet, so we'll find out.
Okay guys, so basically today is the 27th of March, 26th of March. I still need to cross off the days, and as you can see,
The boxes are tiny.
the boxes are tiny, and yeah, look. Today has been a okay day.
A monumental
day.
At 8 p.m. People were cheering and there were fireworks going off.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do.
Because we've got to be thankful for the NHS. You know, people have signed up to volunteer for the NHS.
Yeah, I've seen
750,000
that.
people have done it.
Show me.
Would you do it? Would
As
you
you can
volunteer
see.
for the NHS?
There you go.
Yeah.
That's so rubbish.
Oh my god. Oh, someone no.
Ya mama bici mama ahanya. Yep, and then and then basically in about 3 days, British summertime begins.
I know, but we ain't gonna witness that thing. You know why? Because we've had beautiful weather and we've had to stay inside.
Yes.
We've been able to go out in the garden though. That's not as bad.
Yeah.
I've been able to get some breath by opening the window.
Yeah, wings.
That's all we're gonna get.
Yeah. So what I've been doing is, because we are in lockdown currently, I've been putting
Isolation.
in isolation. I've been peeping myself out the window for a bit of fresh air.
And then
Lovely.
people are probably calling you peeping Tom.
Yeah, they probably are. But British summertime is beginning, and when is Ramadan?
Oh my
Ramadan?
God, end of April. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what's gonna happen there.
But I can't wait, to be honest. I'm not even gonna lie.
Well, because it's just gonna be. I think it's gonna be easy,
It's gonna
especially
be-
if we don't have to go to the mosque as well.
Yeah.
And I think, in some ways, all of this is a blessing in disguise, but it's also like having to come from something deadly.
Yeah, that's
so,
true.
like, God's telling us to rest. And he's giving us this chance because it's the only chance we're gonna get of getting like not going to work.
Yes.
Sadly, there's people who are not gonna get paid though, which is unfair.
Yeah.
My husband being one of them, and okay, just pointed at me. Yeah, I'm just sad that so many people are having to suffer. But again, it's a blessing in disguise. Like what's his name said, Chris Tucker. No, what's his name?
Chris Tucker.
Was it Chris Tucker? No. You should go watch his Instagram, or was it his TikTok? He did a TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok.
And explaining this whole pandemic and the reasoning behind it. And I just think you guys need to rest if you get the chance to rest, and spend your time wisely, because it's not going to come again. This time is not going to come again. Although I'm going to be honest, I have been kind of like panicking every day when I wake up, because I feel like I'm going to have work, or someone's going to ring me and check up on me, or email me and say, are you awake? So you should be working right now, because we're technically working from home. So I don't know if that's giving me anxiety, that is. But other than that, I'm enjoying, I'm chilling, I'm trying to spend time doing other things like reading and organising
what
this
book are you
mess, which
currently
is
reading?
actually hasn't been organised. I'm currently reading this. I think I mentioned it already.
Alex
It's the
Rider.
like mini short stories, like the in-between stories we don't hear about from the Alex Rider books. If you read Alex Rider, let me know down below, because you know what? We are sisters and brothers, or brother and sister. You know what I mean? We're basically related if you read all the Stormbreakers books, Alex Rider books, okay? And this is good. It has like all the little in-between stories. Like, you know, when you get like the at the end of a film, you get the behind the scenes. That's what it is. You get the behind the scenes stories, and I'm nearly finished. I've got one story left. You get 5 in here. And this was a freebie book. If you had the World Book Day £1 token, you could have got this for free. So there's that. And the next book I'm going to read is this one. Is this one called Split. Is this one called Split, and it's by a Muslim, which I think is going to be a cool book, because I don't read many books from Muslims, and it's like in English, so I think this is going to be interesting. And oh my god, someone's dropped water on it already. How the hell did that happen?
Go wet.
Oh man, that's ruined a perfectly nice looking book. I'll still read it though. Yeah.
Still read it. What's it called?
And again, it's called Split. Stand Up, Be Seen, Breakout. And again, this was a freebie book too from World Book Day if you went into one of the bookstores and picked it up. So those are my 2 reads at the moment, quite easy ones.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's end the vlog here, because I've been talking
Yep.
so much.
And
I
then-
need to read the Mars.
And then I have loads of work to do over the holiday, if you'd like to say. And yeah, I have loads of work to do.
We
I
had some
have
sad
loads of
news today
coursework.
though.
What
We had some really sad news today.
Oh, yeah.
The head teacher, Mr. Whittlestone, he passed away, and I just randomly just like started crying for ages, and it's only because I don't want to say awake there. It's only because it's just upsetting, because I know he was a good man. Yeah. So yeah.
I find that very sad as well, because he was a very funny guy as well, to be honest.
Yeah, he was, and he was quite safe, especially to like everybody, not just like Gordon. He was telling the truth all the time, and he said it how it was meant to be said.
He says you
And
can't
he
call.
used to say Assalamu alaikum to all the
Yes,
Muslims.
he
too,
did.
which
He
was
did.
nice.
He did. In assembly while I was there.
Yeah.
I just said
Bless
I'd go there.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah. But basically, someone told me in assembly that he said he called people fish boys. He called guys.
Can I pinch the cheek bone?
He called people fish boys. Shall I show her?
Let me pull the cheek lump.
Oh my god.
She's bubbling. She's bubbling, troubling. Oh my gosh, she moved away because she knew I was going to pull her cheek.
Okay, so yeah, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed.
It's not going to be the end, it's just a continuation.
Yeah, continuation.
Maybe I will end it here actually. After I show my delicious.
Okay, so this is the quote for March, which is nearly ended. Don't look back. You are not going the wrong way. You're not going that way.
Wow. Try that again.
That's a mouthful. Don't look back. You are not going that way.
Yeah.
And
Obviously
yeah.
we can't look back
And
now.
on the twin now.
Just got to look forward and be positive.
Positive, everyone.
Positivity.
Yeah.
Because it's so easy to get depression during this time, being stuck at home, not being able to do anything, not being able to go out, and being scared to death by this coronavirus. But just stay positive. Do fun things. Explore yourself within your walls, your 4 walls.
Ooh.
Yes.
Wise words from AmbreenK there.
Do like a fast shot to the food. Go. Oh yeah, food is here. We're gonna eat. This looks like homemade chutney, which I really like.
Would you like to show the
I
actual
love
food?
homemade chutney.
Yeah, he's gonna show
Are you
the
gonna show the
actual
real
food.
food? These are the bonbons. We got the bonbons. Go. Pan. Oh my god, look at that delicious juicy chicken.
Chicken.
So lustrous and delicious and juicy.
As you can tell, Ambreen didn't fail English.
Okay.